where I'll be showing you how I built a SaaS app that saves me cost and saves me time with just two apps right here. So these two apps that saves me is Markly and ChatGPT. So as you can see on the screen, you can either build any kind of AI you can build any kind of app using AI. So now before we do that, I know most of us do not know what Markly is. Okay, Markly is an AI non-code tools, right? It's an AI coder tool that helps people code, right? That helps engineers code. So that helps not just engineers, does it helps any kind of person from any kind of background. You don't need to finish engineering course before knowing how to do this. It is so easy for you. So what this AI does is that it turns your words into a full stack application where you can publish this app. You can build any app with just natural language, with just English. So too much talk. Let's get started. So I want to describe the app that we will input here for this AI to build for us, like or your prompts. So if you do not know how to give prompt, or if you don't know how to communicate with artificial intelligence, I will break down a short way for you to do that. So if you have ChatGPT, I suggest we go to ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on ChatGPT, okay, which I already have ChatGPT here. So on ChatGPT, I'm going to say today we are building a football app, right? So I'm going to tell ChatGPT I want to. So I told AI I want to build an football. Yeah, sorry. I want to build. Sorry for the misspell. I want to build a football app, a SaaS application, right? You can see that this prompt doesn't make sense. So what I'm going to do is just these two words we're going to give artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is going to enhance this prompt. So we're just going to give it, please enhance this prompt. So enhance this prompt. So right now you can see that I've given it. So I'm going to click on enter, and this is going to enhance the prompt. So you can see that it makes it more easier for us and everything. So you can see that I look at what I gave it and look at the prompts it gave. So it enhanced a version of my prompt for me so clearly. So I could just say, okay, it say I want to build a SaaS, which is software as a service football streaming application that allows users to watch live matches, replays, and highlights. The app should include features like real-time schedules in apps, notification, multi-language commentary, users subscription monthly and annually, and a secure payment gateway. I also want to include options of personalized content, team-based recommendations, and a dashboard for admins to upload and schedules matches. So you can see that I don't need to read this. What we're going to do is that we copy this to Markly. You can see that you don't need too much of thinking into this. So just copy this. Once you are done copying this prompt, you go on Markly and you paste it there. So now this is Markly. Markly said we should describe what you want to build, right? So I'm going to here, I'm going to paste my prompt here, so which we have. So I'm going to enter it. So you can see this app to do helps user build application which is more personable. So and it makes sense. So if you do want to get notified when the apps finish building, maybe in 2 minutes time, you can enable this. But we are here, so you can see that it's working on our application. So we can just wait for a little while and it's going to work. So you can see that this is what this app is doing. It's really neat. You can see that it has a thought. It's designed. You can see what it's there. It's designing the inspiration drawing and the background and everything you see. So you can see this what this is doing. So it's so fascinating on using this application is so cool. So you can see that we do have the canvas which is here. So although it's working on the app, it's working on the layout and some of other things. So you can see that if you do want to enter a full screen of it, it has a display type where you can display any mode you want, maybe mobile, desktop, or responsive mode. But just to know that this is a web app, right, that we are building. So this AI is going to build everything from scratch. But although I'm not sure that this AI has what I call the backend follow up, where it adds some backends You see, but I'm sure that this AI is worth it. So it's going to save you and your team, going to save you and your team cost, time, and money. So it's everything that is developer has. So you can just wait. We're going to wait a little while. So we are going to wait a little while. Yeah, so you can see that okay, it's done. This app is actually done. So this app took 7 minutes to the AI took 7 minutes to build this application, which I'm going to be sincere to you. Although I did allow you to watch what was behind the scene because I did a cut version of this video, so you can see how I built a football app in 7 minutes without being hiring or developers. So now you can open the app in a news app. If you do want, you can screenshot this application. So you can just screenshot this application if you want. So you can see how you can see that this is a very beautiful interface that this app gave us. So it has screenshotted the app. You can see that this is how our apps look like in like the image from this is how the application looks like. So I'm not going to go on that. So I'm going to show you another one. So if you don't want to expand the screen of this application, so let's expand the screen and let's see how this app works. So you can see that it has a one live match, but though does this app does not have an API and no functions yet. So I can connect various API. You can see that it when I even click on the Manchester United versus Arsenal, it gave me a video, but I don't know whether this video is going to play. Why? Because it has a 4K mode, which is actually very cool. Wow. So this is how this app looks like. So this app is so cool. So I am going back. I'm going to hit the screen, and you can see this is highly interesting from this application. So you can see that I think it's actually loaded, but there's nothing here to watch. So there's nothing here to watch because I haven't connected the backend um, connections to this app. So we are going to see our code. We are going to preview this code, and you can see the code we have here. We have a page txt. We have the components, and you see that I did not even need to know coding to start using this application. So you can try this out. It's very free. You can see the application. I'm going to the code. Sorry, I'm going to expand it, and you can see what it coded for us. No too much coding. No too much coding previews. It's not going to show you that because this app did everything on the background. Then, as for publishing, you can click here to publish your app. So if you want to publish your app, you just click here and you publish, or you turn your app into a web app. You publish it, you start adding subscription. But we have to get it in mind that I haven't started um implementing the subscription um features into this application, which I can do it. So if you still want to talk to this AI, if you still want to talk to this artificial intelligence, it's easy. You can still come on this as panel here and you can edit it. So you can still edit it, or if you click here, when you click on edit, yeah, so when you click on edit, you can see how it runs so smoothly for us, which is very cool. And I love about this app. So I'm going to restart this app back. Yeah, I'm going to restart this app. So I'm restarting this app. So you can see that I've restarted this application, but it's not yet complete, no function yet, although. So you can see that I have 3 matches. Yeah, he told me deployed. So the app is actually deployed. So this is the domain he gave us, Markley, like I said. But we are not going to use this domain, but we can add domain. If you don't want to add your domain, you can put maybe your name, your subdomain, and anything, then you are good to go. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this to come. Thank you guys.